Hi, so I'm doing the unboxing of this one-wheel unicycle. So this has the VESC controller. It is an electric skateboard. It has a 1500 watt motor, and it has a 30 to 40 kilometer range with a 420 WH battery. So with this unboxing, like I said, it has the manual, and then has a cord for plugging in to charge. Here you can see the rest of the battery. We'll be plugging this in. This side will go here, and then we can plug it into the wall. So move this out of the way. Taking this out all nicely packaged so you don't have to worry about anything being damaged in transit. And then here is the unicycle. Out of the way. So again, nicely packaged. You don't have to worry about any damage when you get it. You can see that nice big wheel in the middle. I'm just taking this off. So then, as you can see over here, this is where I will plug in for charging as well. So plugging in, get this plugged in here. And then I'm gonna plug it in to get it charged. And then I will come back and just show some more details of it. All right, so as you can see, I have it powered on. The front is going to have these white lights, and then the rear is going to have these red lights. The power button is right here to just press on or off. And then you can download one of the apps. The app that I downloaded is called Float Control, so this one right here. And then it will tell you all the stats too when you are riding about your one-wheeled skateboard. So very cool that you can get this. It will just Bluetooth connect to your skateboard, and then when you are riding, you are able to see what you do on your board, and it will tell you too, like the board right now is slanted down this way, just like it is, and if I were to make it even, it actually reads it just to that point that it's actually telling you where your board is sitting and how it is angled. So a lot of great features with this. Very nice board, as you can see. And if you are looking for a one-wheeled skateboard, I'd highly recommend it.